This is Noise.
This is Trap. Damn, son, who is this?
Yeah, this one is staying exclusive.
It is nuts. 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 Nuts.
Damn it!
Yeah, this is hard.
Hey, P, this is hot, girl.
I ride a pig with a saddle for hours at a time, stare at the blue sky while I hold back what's on my mind. And when they ask me how to tame him, I say a carrot's fine. When they ask me how to tame him, I say a carrot's fine. But the fact is, I can never find one in a village. And all that they can ask is, why are you so trash, kid? That's what this crop is. That's what the point of this crop is. So you can see me trying, you won't see me mining. I'll just keep on farming, I'm good. And mobs just keep on spawning, it's so terrifying. But I keep on waiting, I'm good. It's been growing too slow for so long. Been waiting all night for so long. Been using brain meal for so long. Won't grow, so long won't grow, so long won't grow. Always being trolled by a bunch of strange gamers. Scared to leave my base, haven't seen them grief in ages. But then I see him, so I'ma tame it, so I'ma tame it.
Yeah, that's a pig, bitch.
But the fact is, I need help, I'm feeling too excited. They think that I'm obsessive. I just really wish that I could ride him. That's what this crop is. That's what the point of this crop is. So you can see I'm trying, you won't see me mining. I'll just stick with farming, I'm good. And mobs just keep on spawning, it's so terrifying. But I'm done on waiting, I'm good. I've been farming carrots for so long. Been waiting all night for so long. Been needing a pig for so long, it's real. So long it's real, so long it's real. So long it's real. So long it's real. That's right, needing a pig. Gonna shit everywhere. LOL.
Your mom is very serious.
I just can't take this shit sometimes.
What kind of shit?
Just shit.
A lot of the time, we feel like our lives are the worst, but they can look at anybody else's closet. You would trade your shit for their shit. Like. My word, that I could have had fidelity. When I found a believer, stuck with the life that I lead. That fit no whip that I weave. Yeah, man, I've been there, man, I've been that shit, but I'm a sticky cold this year. No, I ain't, I'm not clear, I'm a shit, keep me, I've been dicks, but I know control and fear. But I'm a cold this year. No, I ain't. I'm not clear. I'ma shoot far.
Shoot me with my own gun, that's what gets me.
There are in my brain, love, these kids are named Finger. I admit it, another kid is named Finger. Shat my pants, oh no I didn't. Fuck sipping, I'ma down a whole bottle. Pure piss, you know how it is, always so. Need a bitch with IBS, put me out my sorrow. Wake up still wanting more like Cupid with an arrow. Wanna come piss now, I be like Jack Sparrow. Great last meal, it'll be gone by tomorrow. Who am I kidding? So much jealousy and agony that I sit in. Imagine your name's Finger, that's a massive win. I just want real piss, guess it's been a minute. Pissed off from the way that I don't fit in, I don't fit in. Tell me why can't I be Finger, I don't get it. Feel like I'm running a race, I'm not winning. Ran into Finger today, I'm not grinning. These kids are named Finger. All kids are named Finger. No, they're not named Paint. Love, think I need a change before I go insane. Love, all kids are named Finger. Not, they're not named Paint. Love, think I need a change before I go insane. Love, 10 minutes, it only took 10 minutes to name him Finger. Oh no, they didn't. Fuck living, I'ma drown in my piss. Fuck giving, I'ma give your mom a kiss. And I'm still sinning, I'm still losing my mind. I know I've been shitting, I'm still tasting it now. All the time giving, am I paint, am I Finger? It's fuck feelings, my hood takes care of my dealings. Now I am insane, fingers in my brain. Love, paint is not his name, cause all kids are named Finger. Now I am insane, fingers in my brain. Love, paint is not his name, cause all kids are named Finger. Love.
shit!
Right, babe, I just wanted to make sure you're nicely tucked in bed. I know you're probably still walking home, but I want you to have this, you know, as a reminder, you know, to tuck yourself into bed nice and comfy and listen to this before you fall asleep. I'm just such a nice guy. Why is Kung Fu Panda on my Netflix right now? I really like that movie. First of all, my little Aaron, big and strong, I hope that your sleep is very long. Second of all, I hope that you wake up with a boner, because you are a massive stoner. Very confused. Okay, listen here, boyo. Butt fingers. Please don't cancel me. Bro. You know, it determines when I leave the crib.